Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. And as you settle into this moment, notice the gentle rhythm of your breath, how it moves through you without any effort at all. Feel the weight of your body resting against the surface beneath you, supported completely. Notice the subtle sounds around you, distant, soft, and fading into the background. And with each exhale, feel a wave of release washing through you, as if the day's tensions are dissolving into the stillness. You are here now, in this sacred space of your own awareness. There is nothing to do, nowhere to go, no one to be, except exactly who you are in this moment. And as you breathe in, imagine a soft golden light beginning to form at the center of your chest, warm and gentle, like the first rays of dawn touching the earth. Breathe into that light and feel it expand with each inhale, growing brighter, softer, more luminous. This light is the essence of peace itself, ancient, patient, and infinitely calm. And as you breathe out, let that light spread outward through your shoulders, down your arms, into your hands. Feel it flowing through your torso, into your hips, your legs, your feet, until your entire body. And now, allow yourself to recall a time, a moment, a memory, when you felt truly at peace. Now, perhaps it was a quiet morning by the ocean, the sound of waves lapping against the shore, or a still evening in a forest, the scent of pine and earth filling the air. In that moment, as you breathe in the phone tried, the fiddle you with quiet porf, the scent of waves, affe, splot wevely, from the depths of a calm lake. And as you hold that memory in your mind's eye, notice the feelings that arise with it, the sense of safety, of stillness, of belonging. Feel that peace in your body, perhaps as a gentle warmth in your chest, a softness in your shoulders, a quiet hum in your bones. And now, as you breathe in, imagine that feeling growing stronger, more vivid, more present. And as you breathe out, let it settle deeper into your cells, anchoring itself into the very fabric of your being. Now, bring your awareness to the space between your breaths, that still, silent pause at the top of each inhale and the bottom of each exhale. In that pause, There is no past, no future, only the infinite, eternal now. And in that now, you are already whole, already at peace, already complete. Now, imagine a gentle hand resting on your heart, warm, reassuring, and steady. This is the hand of your own inner wisdom, guiding you back to balance. And with each breath, feel that hand pressing softly, reminding you that you are safe, you are held, you are loved. Cool. Let your heartbeat slow to match the rhythm of the earth, steady, patient, and eternal. Feel the calm spreading through your mind, like a still lake reflecting the sky. Thoughts may come and go, like clouds drifting overhead, but you are the lake, not the clouds. You are the stillness beneath the surface, untouched by the ripples above. And with each breath, you return to that stillness again and again, deeper each time. Now, I invite you to repeat these words silently in your mind, letting them sink into your subconscious like seeds planted in rich soil. I am a vessel of peace. Calm flows through me like a river, clear and unending. My mind is a sanctuary of serenity. My heart beats. Breathe in deeply and feel the peace expand. Breathe out slowly and let go of all resistance. You are a beacon of calm in a busy world. Your presence soothes others, and your inner light shines brightly. You are not defined by your past, nor limited by your fears. You are a limitless being of peace, capable of infinite stillness. You is the present silent, like the sky after a storm. It's just depressed in that space. You are free to be exactly as you are, without judgment, without expectation, free to rest in the simple, profound truth of your own existence. Istos tormau, what our wits meet us, free to be exactly as you are, without judgment, without expectation, free to rest in the simple, profound truth of your own existence. Feel the peace in your hands, as if they are holding a soft, glowing orb of light. Feel it in your feet, as if they are rooted deep into the earth, drawing up stability and calm. Feel it in your spine, as if each vertebra is aligned with the stars, carrying you with. Practice this anchor once more. Press your thumb and forefinger together. You breathe in deeply. You feel the peace surge through you. And as you breathe out, let it settle into every cell. Now, imagine this peace radiating outward from your heart like ripples on a pond, expanding in all directions. It touches your family, your friends, your community. It reaches every person you have ever met, every being on this planet. And as it spreads, it multiplies, returning to you tenfold. You are a source of peace for the world, and the world reflects that peace back to you. With each breath, you are more deeply anchored in this tranquility. It is not a fleeting emotion, but a permanent state of being. It is the bedrock of your existence, the foundation upon which all else is built. And from this place of peace, you can face any challenge, embrace any joy, release any sorrow, because you know that at your core, you are unshakable. Now, I want you to imagine a golden thread running from the top of your head to the base of your spine. This thread is your connection to the infinite, the eternal, the divine. It is strong, flexible, and luminous. And as you breathe, feel this thread humming with the energy of peace. It aligns your thought. Feel the warmth of this peace in your chest, like a gentle sun rising within you. Feel its light spreading through your veins, your muscles, your bones. Feel it in the spaces between your thoughts, in the silence behind your words. The yachts work the bill in the my Ratty never one day he won. Hey, I'll relief my breath to spaces between your thoughts. In the calm in the center of the storm. I am the stillness that holds all movement. I am the peace that surpasses all understanding. I am whole. I am healed. I am home. My breath is a river of tranquility. My heartbeat is a drum of serenity. My mind is a temple of silence. My soul is a garden of peace. I release all need to control, to struggle, to resist. I surrender to the flow of grace, and I am carried by love. I trust that all is well, even when I cannot see the path. I am safe, I am loved, I am at peace. Breathe in deeply and feel the peace expand beyond your body, beyond your mind, beyond your imagination. Breathe out slowly and release any last vestige of tension, Feel the anchor you created, the gentle press of thumb and forefinger. Know that you can return to this state at any time, simply by repeating that gesture and breathing deeply. This peace is now a part of you, woven into your neural pathways, embedded in your subconscious. And as you prepare to open your eyes, know that you are bringing this peace with you into the world. It will color your interactions, soften your responses, deepen your connections. You are a carrier of calm, a beacon of tranquility, a living example of inner peace. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now, beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day. Until we meet again in stillness.